working just with the C chord just to practice this strum. In the past, we have done a strum where it's down, up, tap, down, up, tap. Well, we're going to make it a little bit fancier this time by adding one more strum, and that strum is up. So it'll be down, up, tap, up, down, up, tap, up. So the only difference here is that when you tap, you're ready to come back up. Once you're up, you go back down. Okay, so down, up, tap, up, down, up, tap, up. Okay, all right, I'm gonna zoom in on my hand so we can practice this together, and we will go slowly. So remember your C chord with your ring finger there. And I don't like to use a pick. I know some people like using a pick with the uke, but here we go. It is down, up, tap,